Hey, what's up, guys? This is your boy Real Deal Wealth. You better know me as Daniel on this channel, and today we're going to be talking about what's going on with the stock market and why we are seeing the dip on the Dow, the S&P, and the Nasdaq. If you guys haven't already, go ahead into the description and follow my Instagram. And we see some crazy things on the stock market, but I think that the shorts that we saw today are something that we haven't really seen before. But this is nothing to be scared about. A healthy correction in the stock market, it happens. We see it in time. It's not like with the COVID period whenever we saw the Dow drop, almost 20,000 points. And I think this is a great time for you all to buy. Don't be scared of the dips. You can lock in your losses by selling your dips, but that's not a smart move. We want to be smart with our money, and you can go into these companies like AMC and Kodk and GameStop, but for someone like me, the way I invest, it's not really what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for those quick gains and that quick access to money. I want to be smart with my portfolio at the end of the day, and that's what I want you all to do. Obviously, as I say, I'm not a financial advisor, so you do whatever you want with your money, but I'm just giving you what I would do and what I've seen exploring the market and through time, that I know that a correction is healthy. 10 to 12% on the market is not bad. We still have some stocks up. I was up big on Virgin Galactic Holdings today and also on Fuel Cell. So I went ahead and I did some profit taking, and I did that because I knew that the market was down. So I bought into some other companies, including BNGO. I put more into BFT, and I did buy some more NEO because that's a really good company, and I feel like everyone should get into that one. All right, everyone. So let's talk a little bit about GameStop and AMC and Kodk and where I see this headed. I feel like after Friday, we may see the stock run up until Friday, but after that, I feel like the puts and the options on these for January 29th are going to start to take effect, and we're going to see people start to back out of these companies. This isn't going to last forever, I'll tell you that, because it's not healthy for the market, for one, and for two, these are short plays that these people are making. This company doesn't hold that type of value, and I hope that the SEC doesn't do anything that's going to stop trading, because that's not the free market that we want. But I do hope that soon people realize what's going on with the market and they start to put the value of their money into companies that they believe in. I don't feel like this, bubble is going to last longer than 1 or 2 weeks. Don't get that FOMO where you feel like you have to get into them and then you lose your money, because it is a strong possibility. These are risks on the market that you have to, be aware of and that you don't want to take if you value your money, because in the long run, these companies are not going to last. And on this channel, I really want to focus on the long-term investments, the 3 to 5 years that it's going to put you in a better position for the future. This quick money stuff is cool, but the stock market shouldn't be a gamble. The stock market is designed for companies to be able to go public and make offerings and really boost their company as a whole and have the public take part in the growth of that company. And I'm super bullish on a lot of these companies, and I know these short seller bears, they're getting wiped out right now, but the bulls will prevail because the stock market's been around for over 100 years, and through the Great Depression, through the Depression in 2008, and even through recently the COVID drop, we saw the market recover greatly, and the Dow has been performing very well up to this point, along with the Nasdaq and the S&P. So put your money where you think it's going to best fit. If you really want to go out there and buy these risky stocks that don't hold value in GameStop, Kodk, AMC, and take the risk at losing all your money but have a short-term game, then go ahead. But at the end of the day, I don't know if anyone's worried about taxes here, but whenever you go to do your taxes, you're going to be, losing some more money than you could have had whenever you had a long-term investment and you have your money safe and secure and something that is going to grow. So today, overall, what I would tell you is that you need to be buying into the dip. Do not be scared because the market is red. This isn't the first time this happened, and it won't be the last time it happens. So take this as an opportunity to go out and get your favorite companies at a discount. I did that today. That's why I did some profit taking, and it's not bad. I just took out the money that I put in and I left my profits in there because I was up over 100% on some of these companies. So why not make my money work better for me? I do feel like those companies are going to grow, but I can put it into these discount companies today and I can watch my money grow faster and better. Option wise, I feel like I'm doing pretty well, and I show you guys whenever I open up my Robinhood on the videos. You guys can see what I'm in. I'm in Open Door, I'm also in VCAC, I'm in GIX, and then I'm in BFT, and I feel super bullish and I feel super safe with these. And I recommend you guys looking at all of the companies that I have been talking about because they've all been doing super well. APXT I'm not worried about. That one's gonna shoot up. The mergers, this month, so it's just a matter of time until this one makes money. Alright guys, so just to end it off, remember, the bear market is not gonna survive. The bulls are gonna, come back, and the market is gonna prevail. So use this as a buying opportunity. Don't lock in your losses, and don't get FOMO over these things that are shooting up. Use your brain and use the fundamentals of investing to make profits. Anyways, if you guys learned anything from this video, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe for more. It's been your boy Daniel, aka Real Deal Wealth, and I'm out.